Back with another banger. It's a beautiful Texas day. The sun finally kind of went down. Not the sun went down, but it finally started cooling off a little bit, you know. It's an 80 degrees Saturday. That's why I'm riding with the windows down, you feel me? So, yeah, it's a good day outside. Anyways, as y'all see by the, hold on, y'all probably can't hear me. As y'all see by the title and the thumbnail, we going to Oak Cliff, Dallas.
Oak Cliff, yeah, that's my hood, yeah. Put it in his face, get that shit understood.
So that's what this video about to be about, bro. So we going to the hood. We going to the hood parts of Dallas. The people who live here, y'all should know what Oak Cliff is. For the people who live out of town, Oak Cliff is a hood in Dallas. So we gonna ride around, you know what I'm saying? Somewhat of a POV, somewhat. Y'all really ain't let me know in the last video. Do y'all like the POVs? So if y'all did and y'all seen it, let me know. If y'all see it in this one, just let me know. But I'm gonna have my aunt with me too. Y'all gonna meet my aunt. She from New York. Y'all gonna meet her. I'm gonna have her ride with me. She full of joy. I think she gonna make this video low key blow. She just might. But I cut the camera back on when we get rolling. She tried to hit off something. We made it. We in the hood now.
You made no. Yeah.
We here now.
Yeah, that's the train.
Yeah, the train too, yeah.
I'm here.
Getting hit by all these damn red lights though, god damn. Oh, she looking back for you, dog. I know, right?
All the niggas in my block, they hit me as well. You home? No. I gotta wait another 4 more days.
Where? Oh yeah, the street we on.
That's the lane back road. Which one you got the video?
Yeah, I'm recording right now. Even though I got the camera set up wrong, I gotta reposition. God damn, I keep getting caught by all these lights. This shit don't make no sense. Getting cut off by. Let me fix this camera too. God damn. Yeah, that's the world famous Rudy's right here.
Oh, we gotta go there. Hey, you gotta see the trucks.
Oh yeah. got the road all fucked up. Damn. Damn, they got some more construction. Oh shit. Well, I got the spinning on them rides. Damn. Oh, who got the side? Okay, they got oh, it's a me, man. Let me turn her down here. Funny part is, I don't know where the fuck I'm going. I'm just driving.
I don't care. You drive and record it.
Fuck, idiot. Oh man.
We're back in the highway, bro.
What's this? Keys?
Yeah.
Oh, Keys got some fucked up roads. Now that I think about it. Yeah, y'all already know Keys got some fucking right lane club. Damn, this shit bad. This shit packed like a motherfucker down here tonight. Let me chill out fighting somebody's shit.
And I gotta beat somebody out. I gotta schedule my tickets.
Man.
At home. Hey.
Talk about time I get home.
Yeah.
Right?
Gotta schedule
We gonna
my
be a loose steer.
Yes, sir.
Damn, this shit's like, well, I forgot it's Saturday.
Remind me of downtown Harlem.
Yeah, on 125th and all that, huh?
This is the Apollo.
Yeah. This bitch. jumping. I don't even think I've been on this street before. Like it catching all the damn red light.
Yeah, so.
Alright. He talking about red car.
Huh?
I got you.
He said racing?
No, he said rivet. Ah, let me check. I'm about to hit the fuck up. I just heard the sirens. Oh, shit. The nigga about to get me in trouble. What the fuck is he doing? Go, 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 go. Go, nigga. I already know.
You do know I can see you, right? You do know that TikTok tells me that you viewed my video, but you ain't like it. And you know what's crazy? It's not just one or two videos. You're watching all my videos, and you ain't like it. And you do.
Then where am I at?
There you go, Jada. Ah, you missed it, missed
Oh,
it.
I see. They're going somewhere. It's just to impress. What's this? The pink one. It's the homeless.
Damn. I can run this shit anyway.
That light's quick.
Hey, Revan. 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 Can I hear it? Wow, this nigga bullshit.
Oh, don't do shit. Duh. If he don't know what favorite is, he don't know.
What you talking about the hell? Nah.
I'm trying to say, oh, I'm looking good. This car is bougie, bro. This car is bougie.
Oh, I hear somebody.
I think he's trying to cool us. So
They got the
yeah,
chance
it's
to.
over there.
Oh. Oh, no wonder. This shit do sound like some bullshit.
That's him.
Yeah, I'm thinking that's somebody else.
That's you. That's
Nah,
him.
ain't.
What?
Yeah, that's him.
Why you trying to prove? Like,
He late now. I'm gonna give you one more chance to redeem yourself. Yeah. No wonder. I ain't mad at him no more. I really ain't mad at him no more. I get it.
y'all ain't know what he wanted to.
Yeah, I understand. I probably did the same
That
thing.
just sound like a piece of shit. Ew. Even his tires is horrible.
Yeah.
That's, oh my god. That's not a race thing. He this is go home.
Talking about just go home. Damn, this sound bright. Tunnel time. Let me get over here. Damn, I ain't even do shit. Yeah, I could. Yeah, time right here. Yeah, you missing all the action, I swear. Oh, it sure is, huh? Oh, damn, where's up? Oh, I'm too.
That's it.
You straight, bro? Stay off drugs, nigga.
Niggas, no, I don't need nobody, that's the only thing. Where was niggas at when I was by myself? I seen niggas doing good, they ain't try to help me. But I don't count on nobody, that's the only thing. I seen niggas had to shine, they turn shady. She wanna do relations, so I test out. You want feelings?